Hello everyone, this is Storm Chaser Drew Brummel. Right now I'm at the MSC headquarters in extreme southern lower Michigan, but soon I will be moving my way towards northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio, where we have an enhanced risk in portions of northern Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. An all-hazard risk will be in place today. We're talking very large hail, potentially as large as golf ball to as high as softball size hail in the strongest of these cells. And we could have a damaging wind threat. We have those inverted V soundings where we could have downburst damaging winds that could be possible across this region. And potentially we could see an isolated tornado threat. But the only way we're going to see that is if we can get storms to latch into that moist air. We're talking those 60 dew points, getting into that warm sector just ahead of the cold front, where we could have those storm interactions where we could have an isolated tornado or two. But once again, I do expect a lot of these storms to remain elevated in nature, especially in Illinois and Indiana. I think the best tornado threat, if there even would be one, would be mainly around Ohio. So once again, guys, make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings and stay safe.
I decided to go to portions of northern Ohio because of the moisture bloom that was present across this region. In my opinion, had the best chance for an isolated tornado threat later on during the afternoon. So I continued to move my way more into north central and northeast Ohio, where that better moisture bloom was.
Hello everyone, Storm Chaser Drew Brummel here. Currently I am in northwest Ohio, where we have two SPC discussions, one for Illinois and Indiana where a severe thunderstorm watch is likely, and then another one in Ohio where a tornado watch is likely. Once again, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio have an all-hazard risk today. The winds are really starting to ramp up here. We're getting that moisture starting to fill in. Once again, hail is going to be the main threat. Large hail is going to be the main concern for today. But once again, an isolated tornado cannot be fully ruled out, especially in Ohio, in my opinion. And then we also have that risk for damaging winds, which could easily be possible across Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Make sure you guys have multiple ways to receive warnings, and I'll continue to post updates throughout tonight.
As the afternoon went on, storms struggled to form until later during the evening, where we had one storm that popped up in northwest Ohio that had a very large hail core but was mainly elevated, which mitigated the tornado threat.